Hi everyone, welcome to the 2022 Global Taproot Summit. My name is Ann Roberts and I will be your Whova expert this year. I am going to be walking you through how to use the Whova app on your desktop and your phone. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or come find me at the summit, or you can direct message me on the Whova app. First, I'm going to take you through the desktop version. If you should have received an email from me, roberts@taproot.com, with login information. If you did not receive this email, please come find me and I'll get you set up. So here on the left, this is where you're going to live. This is where the most important information is going to be. This is how you're going to navigate through the whole website. The most important things is going to be your agenda, the community, leaderboard, and resources. So let's click on the agenda here on the left. Here you can see the full agenda or my agenda right here. And then below that, we'll show you the days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You're going to have to build your agenda if you want it to show up on Whova. So let's go down and scroll down here on Wednesday. I'm on the full agenda and I'm on Wednesday, and let's pick a session we want to add. So let's just say we want to add Vincent Phipps, amplify your presentation right here. All we have to do is come over here and click add to my agenda. Right now I already have it added. So let's go down a little bit more so I can show you some more. Say we want to attend how to flex your safeguard, mix, and minimize daily job risk. Just come over here to add my agenda, click it. You can either add it to your own personal calendar if you would like, or you just click done here and then it just adds it to your Whova calendar. So let's scroll back up to the top. We can come over here and click on my agenda and it shows you what you have added to your agenda already. Okay. And here at the top is a search bar, and if you want to attend a certain speaker session, you can search their name and it'll show you all the sessions that they're presenting this year. Next, let's go to our attendees. This is where you can find everybody who is attending either in person or virtually. It's a great way to say hi. It's a great way to connect. We are going to be using this for the name game. So make sure if you have a person who is not here in person and they're a virtual attendee, this is how you're going to connect with them. Come here, click attendees, and click on say hi and send them a message. There we go. Next is here are community boards that you're going to be using. If you attended a session and you have a great topic you want to discuss with the people, here's where you can post it. After that, we have direct messaging, where you can add a person or respond to direct messages sent to you. Next, for our competition this year, we have brought back the photo competition. If you're in person or virtual, you can participate in this photo competition. Just take photos of whatever you think is cool and post them. Your dinners, your meals, sessions, if you're out and about in Knoxville, if you're virtual, send us cool things that you're doing virtually. Whatever you guys think is interesting, please post here. And whoever has the most photos gets a prize, and whoever has the best photo gets a prize. The next place we're going to have winners this year is our leaderboard. The more you use Whova, the more points you get. So if you like photos, if you respond to a community discussion, if you post one, anything you do on Whova, like answering polls or questions, gets you more points. So we'll have a first place, second place, and third place winners. So just start using Whova to get those points. And lastly, but most important, our resource page. This is where you're going to find PDFs that are uploaded, such as the session presentations or any documents attached to that presentation. You'll find all session questions here. Click on session question. You can find our video gallery. Once we start uploading videos of our sessions here, this is where you can find them for the next 3 months to go back and watch them at a later date. Click on polls. This is where you'll find all the polls for the session. And lastly, our Whova guides. So if you have any questions or you might want to get some more in-depth information, this is where you can find them. All right, this was a quick overview. If you have any questions for me or you need to have something explained further, please come find me. Next, I'm going to take you into the phone app. All right, now I'm going to take you into the Whova app on your phone. Once you have followed my instructions that I emailed you and you've downloaded the Whova app from your app store, all you need to do now is click on Whova and log in. Once you're logged in, you will see this as your home screen. Mine's going to be a little different than yours because I am a speaker this year and I'm an admin. But below the speaker hub, you'll see the same resources on yours. So here, you scroll down, you'll get to your additional resources. You'll see your leaderboard, your photos, and everything you need right here. So let's go, when you click on leaderboard, it just shows you who's in first, second, and third place. Again, those will be the winners of our contest. The more you use Whova, the more points you get. And up here at the top, you can see the current rankings and your points. And it'll tell you how to also get points down here. So you can scroll and look and see, oh, okay, I can answer this poll or this question to get more points. Here's where you can upload photos for your social media contest that we're having this year. In-person and virtual attendees can win this contest. So don't feel like if you're a virtual attendee that you can't participate in this. Okay, let's go back to home. Here's where you can find your session Q&As to answer to get more points. Go click the home button at the top left. You can see polls here as well. Here's, again, answer these polls in your sessions and you'll get more points. And lastly, so then down here at the bottom is your agenda. You can find attendees, your community messages, and your personal messages. So let's click on agenda. You can build your agenda here just like on the computer. Right now we're in full agenda mode, so we can see Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, everything we have to offer. Or you toggle over to My Agenda, and that shows you everything that you've added to your own personal agenda. Okay, we're going to go to the bottom again, click on Attendees. If you are playing a name game and you're doing this from your phone and you have a virtual attendee, let's say Alex is someone we're trying to meet. We come up here to the top right corner and there is a little magnifying glass or search glass that you can click on and then start typing in their name. Let's see, Alex Paradise. Let's see, I want to meet him. I can come here, click on his profile, hit message, and down at the bottom here, it has where you type in hi, there's a little video camera you can click on, and that's going to connect you via video message. Or you can just send them a message directly if you think they might not be awake or online. Okay, let's get out of here and then let's go to community. And this is where you can answer or upload community topics. So click on Icebreaker and you can see people's icebreaker questions and you can reply or hit next to see the next one. Or you can hit add topic here in the blue box at the bottom and you can discuss anything you've learned in any of your sessions. Lastly is messages. Here you can send a direct message to anybody who is attending our event or who has downloaded the Whova app, which should be everybody. All right, so let's go back home. And that is Whova on the phone in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please come find me. I can help you set up your Whova app, or I can show you anything that you might need. Have a good time at our summit.